So we basically do a lot of solutions for manufacturer solutions, especially designed for stage, curvable, all type of different needs from the market. We do a lot of things in the desk industry. We also do entertainment, more from the design side. So we try to design special products with stage designer. And then we try to bring our distributors into the tour, and we just produce and supply the solution for them, and they just rent it to the final clients that are generally singers and so on and so on.
We're producing as many systems as possible. We started with this project already a couple of years ago. We were quite successful with that because we made these systems we designed together. They're working for FIFA, for UEFA, for most of the biggest clubs in the world, like Manchester United, Manchester City, Liverpool, in Barcelona. They're all using the Nipatec perimeter system.